this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to restore deleted photos in Microsoft OneDrive. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your OneDrive. So I'm going to click on here. Then having opened up your OneDrive, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here, the profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on recycle bin. And the next thing you need to do is to select the picture you want to restore. Having selected the picture, next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on restore. As simple as that. So you have restored back the picture into your OneDrive account. I hope you really got value for this. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.